Now, if you're one of those people that love chicken nuggets, you're about to be blown away by these chicken chorizo nuggets. Each bite is like a flavor explosion in your mouth over and over again. Which sauce will you choose? Now let's get started. It all starts off with these 2 dried chile guajillos. Wash and remove the stems and seeds. They're gonna go straight into the food processor with a bay leaf and a 1/4 teaspoon of each Mexican oregano, garlic powder, and onion powder. There's many spices in this chorizo, making it explosive in flavor. Continue with the ground cumin, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves, some dried thyme is going in, and a 1/4 teaspoon of both salt and black pepper. Lastly, I added the chicken bouillon and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Pulverize this all up. This can work with a coffee grinder or your NutriBullet as well. Now, once it's this very fine powder, I'm going to be finishing this chicken chorizo with 2 cut up pieces of skinless chicken breast. Add them all straight in there and top it off with 2 tablespoons of some apple cider vinegar. You guys, you are in for a treat. This chicken chorizo makes the most delicious torta sandwiches, or fry it up on a Sunday morning and scramble some eggs inside for a protein-packed, flavorful breakfast that'll really awaken your taste buds. Once you have this wonderfully smooth consistency, you're gonna go ahead and continue with the fun part. I'm taking about a spoonful amount and shaping them into some random chicken nugget shapes. Keep in mind that these do plump up as they're frying into the most moist and flavorful nuggets you have ever tried. Once they're all laid out onto a parchment lined baking sheet, you're gonna pop these into the freezer for a few minutes so they won't be as sticky to work with. In the meantime, mix together the batter, which consists of an egg and 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Some chicken bouillon went in for some extra flavor, and for extra crispiness, I added some cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. All of this is going to be mixed together with 1 1/4 cups of ice cold water. Once it's nicely smooth, place it to the side and heat up your oil. We're going to be frying these nuggets up. Remove the nuggets from the freezer and pour about 1/2 cup of cornstarch into a shallow baking dish. You're gonna coat the chicken first in this cornstarch, then dip it into that wet batter. It's gonna go straight into the hot oil. As you saw, I'm using a thermometer, which makes the process much easier, allowing the hot oil to stay around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which will ensure your nuggets won't burn without cooking all the way through. So be sure to adjust the heat from a medium to medium low. Flip the nuggets to brown on both sides after 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to be removing them onto a cooling rack, and once you get the whole batch fried up, I'm going to double fry these, which will create an even more crispy, crunchy crust. Now, you guys know how I am with chicken. I always like to stick a thermometer inside. The nuggets should reach around 170 degrees. Get your sauces ready because it's time to enjoy these crispy, juicy nuggets. Perfect for any party. It'll definitely catch everybody by surprise.